Hi guys, welcome back to Art with Mrs. Alvarez. I'm Mrs. Alvarez and I have my assistant Lola here again today. She's gonna help us pick something fun to draw, okay? But today we're just gonna do an adjective and a noun, okay? So first with the adjectives, let's see what she's gonna pick for us today.
A striped.
A striped, okay, cool. Off to a good start. Let's see what our noun will be.
Monster.
Yes.
Perfect for Halloween.
Yes, we're gonna draw a striped monster, which is perfect for Halloween. She's right, we're on a Halloween kick. All right guys, so grab a pen, piece of paper, something to color with, and let's get started. Okay, you guys, to get started on our striped monster, let's start almost the way we start every time, which is with an upside down U in the middle of our page. This will be the top of his head, okay? Now we're gonna kind of turn this into almost a jelly bean shape. So to do that, you're gonna go from this line, you're gonna draw a big curved line like this all the way around and then up to the other side of your line, okay? So it almost looks a little bit like either an avocado or almost like a jelly bean. This is going to be his head and his body. Now let's draw two pretty long legs. Now, depending on how much space you have between your body and the bottom of your page, your legs might be a little bit longer or shorter than mine, okay? But you're gonna do two straight lines, kind of close to each other. And then at the bottom, you're just gonna do a curved line, okay? We're gonna just do like the most basic feet ever, just to keep it really simple. So there's one leg. Let's do the same thing right next to it. So we have our two straight lines. And let's do our curved line. Now if this line doesn't match up to that line, you can just connect them with another little line, it's fine. But just make sure that it's, you know, all filled in there, or all of your lines are closed. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's do a tail. Let's give this guy a tail. So from about here, you're gonna draw a curved line down, almost like a J. And then the same shape going back up towards his body. Like that, okay? Let's give this guy some arms, all right? Let's have them be kind of long, just like his legs are long. We're gonna have this arm coming out from about halfway where his belly is. You're just gonna draw another curved line, almost like a J. And for his fingers, let's keep it super simple. We're just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 bumps. And then to complete the other side of his arm, just do another curved line down and around until you touch the belly. He's a friendly monster. He's waving hello. Let's have his other arm. It'll be right about here, okay? So you're just gonna draw a straight line, but leave a little bit of space. Don't go all the way down to the bottom of his belly because you need to do some fingers. So we'll do our 1, 2, 3, 4 bumps for his 4 fingers. And then you can go back up with a straight line. Okay, a couple more details that'll help this guy look like a monster. We're not going to do the striped until we color it, okay? So I'm actually not going to do any stripes with my black pen, but I am going to do some horns. So from about the top of his head, like on this side, I'm going to do kind of like a backwards J. And then go back down towards his head. And you're just going to give it a little rounded end, kind of like this, okay? Now don't worry about this line here, okay? If you have a pencil, you can erase it, but if you're using a pen like me, don't worry, I'm going to show you how we're going to fix that in a minute, okay? But first, let's give the other side the same treatment. Let's do another horn. So you're going to do a J shape. And then go back down. So those are his horns. I want to do kind of like spiny little shapes on his back too. So I'm going to start up at the top of the head, and I'm going to do kind of like almost like soft triangular shapes all the way down. You can make them bigger. You can make them get smaller as they go down or get bigger as they go down his back. However you want to do it, you can. I'm just going to have mine be the same shape. I'm sorry, same size. All the way down until I reach the end of his tail. And there we go. Okay, now I said I would help you fix this line here. So if you are using a pen, what you can do is you can just give the horn some stripes. Okay? And you can do the same on the other side. This will kind of help hide that line that we had here, okay? You kind of can't even tell. Okay, so now the only thing we're actually missing on our little striped monster here is his face, okay? So I'm gonna give 2 big eyes, 2 big ovals. And inside there, I'm going to do another oval towards the top corner, and then a circle in the bottom corner. Okay? And it looks kind of weird before you color it in, but once you color it in black, leaving just the oval and the circle white, it'll make it look like big eyes. There we go. Now his smile, okay? I'm gonna do kind of like a long, big smile that's bigger, that's pretty big on his face, okay? So I'm gonna start here. And I'm gonna go up and around like that. And then the last thing for him, I want to give him some teeth, which will just be like V shapes. Okay? The last thing I'll do before we start to color, I'm just going to give it my ground line here. So I'm just going to draw a straight line, jumping over anything my pen touches, because I don't want to draw over my monster. This is the line that shows the background. Okay. So that's it. Now I'm going to color him, and since this is supposed to be a striped monster, this is where I'm going to show that he's striped, okay? I'm going to use 2 different colors of green to give him stripes. But I'll fast forward this part and I will see you guys at the end. Okay guys, here is my finished striped monster. I hope yours came out really cool. And thanks you guys for joining me today, and come back so we can make more art together, okay? Bye! If you guys liked making art with me today, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Hope to see you back here again soon.